How to add slow motion in GoPro Quik. First of all, open the GoPro Quik app on your device to start editing your video. Next, head to the Studio tab located at the bottom of the screen. Then select the video you want to add slow motion to from your media library. Tap on the video to open it in the editor and then tap the edit button to access the editing tools. Look for the speed option in the editing menu and tap on it to bring up the speed controls. Here you can adjust the speed slider to slow down your video. Drag the slider towards the slower end to create the slow motion effect. Take your time to preview the video and make sure the slow motion looks smooth and matches the part you want to highlight. If needed, you can select specific segments of your video to apply slow motion rather than the entire clip. Once you are happy with the slow motion effect, tap Save to apply the changes to your video. Now you know how to add slow motion in GoPro Quik. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.